In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an AWS Lambda function. AWS Lambda is a powerful service that lets you run code without needing to manage servers. It's a great tool for deploying applications quickly and efficiently, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to get started. First, let's navigate to the AWS Management Console. Once you're logged in, head to the top search bar. Here, you'll want to type in Lambda. As you type, you'll see a list of suggestions appear. Click on the option that says Lambda Run Code without thinking about servers. This will take you to the AWS Lambda dashboard. Before we move on, make sure to check the top right corner of the page. This is where you can select your active region. It's important to set it to the region where you want your application's backend architecture to reside. Selecting the correct region is crucial, as it can affect latency and compliance with data regulations. Now, let's move on to creating your function. You'll notice a prominent orange button labeled Create Function. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to configuring your Lambda function. You'll be taken to a new page where you can start setting up the details of your function. Next, it's time to configure your function settings. This involves giving your function a name, which should be something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. You'll also need to choose a runtime. AWS Lambda supports a variety of runtimes, such as Node, JS, Python, Java, and more. Pick the one that matches the language in which your code is written. Additionally, you'll have the option to set permissions for your function. This is where you define what AWS resources your function can access, which is important for security and functionality. AWS provides default roles, but you can also create a custom role if you have specific requirements. Once you've configured these settings, it's time to write and deploy your code. AWS Lambda provides you with an inline code editor, which is super convenient for making quick edits or writing simple functions. If your code is more complex, you might want to consider uploading a zip file or using an Amazon S3 link. This flexibility allows you to work in an environment that suits your needs best. After you've entered or uploaded your code, take a moment to review it. Make sure everything looks good and that there are no syntax errors. Then, you're ready to deploy your function. Deploying your function is as simple as clicking the Deploy button. This action will save your code and any changes you've made. After deployment, you can test your function using the AWS Lambda console. This is a great way to ensure everything is working as expected before integrating it into your application. And there you have it. You've successfully created and deployed an AWS Lambda function. This service is a fantastic way to streamline your application development process by handling back-end tasks efficiently. With AWS Lambda, you can focus on writing code without worrying about server maintenance. Remember to explore additional settings and configurations to optimize your function performance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more guides on leveraging AWS services for your projects. Happy coding!